Hey, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange. 3 areas that are often overlooked that are costing you your gains, that are costing you your fat loss, that are costing you your weight loss, that are costing you. All right, number 1, drinks. Number 2, snacks. Number 3, water. Let me explain. Okay, most of us are really good about planning our meals. Meal prep, right? You see posts, you see blogs, you see articles, all focus on meal prep, which is amazing, right? But the meals that we're focusing on are what? Nutritious, macro-friendly breakfast, the same for lunch, the same for dinner, and then at the end of the week, you haven't met your goals. The reason for that is because the things that you're snacking on. Who cares if they say they're bite-sized? Who cares if it's only supposed to be 100 calories in this pack? Or some of us are just grabbing what's on hand, a potato chip there, a cookie bite here. Those are adding up and they're stopping you. The second thing, your drinks, right? Some of us can't live without our sweet tea. Or, you're having this really healthy meal, but then you're washing it down with a Diet Coke or whatever the case may be. And so you're racking them up there. You're racking up the calories. You're racking up the sugar. And it's preventing you from getting to where you want to be. And then we're not getting enough water. You could be drinking at least half your weight in ounces every single day. Water is what makes this thing flow, is what makes this thing work. So get your water in, kill the drinks, snack healthy. Boom. I hope this helps. Peace.